Morning. So I've just come back here today, just to do a little bit of the wiring really. So there is USB points to put in, so we need the wiring for that. Undergunner lighting, and also some lighting in the kitchen, and also some power that needs to go up to the tug deck underneath in the storage area. So yeah, we're just going to get on with that today and see how we go. See you later. Hello there. We've come down to the boat today. We've just finished off with some extra bits of wiring that needed to go in, so we needed to get that done. USB ports, because you always need USB ports, and also some of the undergunner lighting and the lighting that will go inside the cupboards in the kitchen. We've got all that done today, which is great. Sorry this is a bit of a short week, but we've had some car trouble. So I've been fixing cars, and also the camper van is also pulling up as well. So I'm having to spend a bit of time doing those. So not so much time on the boat this week, but we do what we can. Okay, right. We'll see you again next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.